Hey everyone, if you're looking for quick, delicious, and easy vegan meals, you've come to the right place. Today I'm sharing 3 fantastic one-pot chickpea recipes. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, we've got a chickpea and spinach curry. Start by heating some oil in a pot and sauteing onion, garlic, and ginger until fragrant. Add in your spices, turmeric, cumin, and coriander. Then toss in a can of chickpeas, diced tomatoes, and coconut milk. Let it simmer until everything's cooked through. Finally, stir in a generous handful of spinach. Serve over rice or with naan. It's creamy, flavorful, and super satisfying. Next, let's make a chickpea and veggie stir fry. Heat oil in your pot and throw in some chopped bell peppers, carrots, and carrots and broccoli. Cook until they're tender crisp. Add a can of chickpeas and your favorite stir-fry sauce. Toss everything together until the chickpeas are coated and heated through. Serve over quinoa or noodles for a hearty, nutrient-packed meal that's ready in minutes. Last but not least, we have a chickpea and tomato pasta. In your pot, saute garlic and onions until soft. Add a can of chickpeas, diced tomatoes, and some vegetable broth. Bring it to a simmer and stir in your pasta of choice. Cook until the pasta is al dente and the sauce has thickened. Finish with some fresh basil and a sprinkle of nutritional yeast for a cheesy touch. It's a comforting, delicious dish, perfect for any night of the week. And there you have it. 3 easy one-pot vegan chickpea recipes that are as tasty as they are simple. Give them a try and let me know which one's your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more vegan goodness. See you next time.